Hi guys, good afternoon. Papunta tayo ngayon sa pamamasura. Alam kong matagal nyo na itong request sa akin. Once in a while namamasura naman kami ni Jan, no? Like I said, hindi na talaga ngayon kagaya dati na jackpot kung jackpot talaga. Madalas dati nakakakuha talaga kami everyday kahit na hindi po siya bulk day. May mga tinatapon po sa kalsada. Ipapakita po namin sa inyo ngayon kung paano magtapon, magsayang ng mga gamit ang taga-Amerika. Kapag makabili siguro tayo ng truck, siguro mag-open na rin tayo ng business kagaya ng mga online business sa mga eBay, sa mga marketplace. Pwede natin i-refurbish yung mga gamit na nakukuha natin. Pero for sure, kailangan natin ng mga makakasama natin yan kasi hindi naman natin yan kaya na tayo lang. Kailangan natin ng manpower, kailangan natin ng mga equipment para maisakatuparan natin, no? So, more will be revealed and may nakausap na rin kami guys na isang entrepreneur. Mas maganda talaga nakikipag-usap ka guys sa mga may alam ba. Diyan muna kayo. Okay, mayroon tayong nakita dito guys. Ito yung una naming nadaanan kanina, bumaba lang kami guys at tinignan namin. May mga iilang toys na nandito pero parang hindi siya worth it na ipadala sa Pilipinas. Ito ang jackpot. May nakita din kami dito guys na laundry basket. Sabi ko kay Jan, pwede lang nating labhan yung cloth na yan. Tapos napakatibay pa guys ng laundry basket na yan. Kaya sabi ko kunin na lang natin. Sabi ni Jan, sige ikaw bahala kung gusto mo ito. Kasi pwede na rin ito siya guys, no? Kasi hindi man siya sira guys. Kung kayo kukunin nyo ba ang ganito guys? Ayaw sana kunin ni Jan guys. Kaso sabi ko, sayang naman matibay naman yun eh. Kaya wala na siya nagawa guys. Look at their lawn, it's very clean. It's very, may mga ayun na pala, may nakita na tayong tao. Naglalaro ng golf. It's very well maintained. Uy, ang daming mangga Ala, pwede tayong... Oo nga. Nauna siguro mamunga ito. Kasi sa amin, maliit pa lang. Meron din pala kaming nakitang TV kanina guys sa kalsada. 2. Kinuha na namin guys. At sana gumana itong 2. Nagpa-challenge nga pala ako kung sino ang makahula. Kung gagana ito, bibigyan ko ng TV. Punta lang ulit tayo sa garden natin guys dahil may i-harvest na naman daw na broccoli si John. Alam nyo, parang araw-araw kami nag-harvest ng broccoli dito sa garden namin. Ayun. Lagay natin yan mamaya sa pasta natin. Yung nabili natin kahapon na pasta. Ayun, pwede na yan. Ang saya guys, no? Pag may sarili kang tanim sa iyong garden. Kasi anytime na magluluto ka, punta ka lang sa garden mo at manguha ng gulay. Alam nyo guys, meron akong natutunan sa araw na ito. May napansin kasi ako dito. Natuwa pa naman ako kasi akala ko mamumunga na itong papaya natin kasi namulaklak na. Pero sabi ni Jan sa akin, hindi mo ba napansin yung bulaklak na yan? It's a male papaya. Ganyan daw pala guys. Pag mamulaklak daw ng ganyan, male papaya pala yan. Hi, Province! Oo nga, ang dami ng tanglad natin guys. May mga nagsabi pala na meron din kayong tangladihanes. Yes, this is the answer. We have a lot of tanglad, very healthy. And then very healthy also ang ating buyas dahon. Province is eating the grass. Hi Province, why are you eating the grass? Looks like this is gonna be a good avocado. Where do you put the avocado?
Good question.
Not in there. I maybe here, dear. On the other side.
I don't know.
Right here.
Needs to be in the middle. But in the middle's in the way. No?
Not really.
I think so. Here's our freshly picked broccoli. I can't even know.
This is the pasta that we're gonna use later. Ito yung nabili natin kahapon from Antonio doon sa garage sale. Yung ilalagay ni John sa sauce daw. What kind of mushroom is this? Shiitake mushroom. Antonio's pasta.
Antonio's pasta.
Mhm. 5 minutos.
We'll start at 5.
Guys, tignan ninyo ang chicken wings na ginawa ni John. Nilagyan niya ito ng secret seasonings. And of course, Himalayan salt and my favorite, Cholula. Yan, so okay na siya. Nag-crave kasi ako guys ng Alfredo pasta. Since wala kaming cream dito sa bahay, sabi ni John, ang isubstitute niya daw ay half and half. Hopefully same lang siya ng lasa. Tapos maglalagay lang din siya ng Parmesan cheese. Ito na guys! Ang ating creamy pasta. Alright. Picturean ko muna ito.
Cheese, please.
Cheese, cheese, cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. It's not the best, but it's not bad.
Maybe you want more sauce.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
You want more sauce too?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Take it all.
Made pasta.
It's good.
Mmm. Better with more sauce.
If you want fettuccine sauce, I gotta buy the heavy cream, and I gotta cook it down and make it thick.
Mmm. Mm.
That's what it looks like.
Mm. Yung binili pala namin na fresh pasta guys ay nasa $12. 8 ounce lang siya. Pero itong pasta na ito guys na linguine pasta made in Italy, nasa $6 lang. Nakakatuwa lang kasi guys, bumili kami ng pasta sa kanila kasi sobrang bait ng mga bata na nagtitinda. And then si Antonio sobrang bait. And then gusto ko ring i-try guys. Ganun lang naman 'di ba? Paano natin malalaman ang isang product kung hindi natin susubukan? At saka sumusuporta talaga kami guys, especially sa mga small entrepreneurs. Dahil tapos nang kumain si Johannes guys. Ito na tayo, maghugas na. I-try ko tong feature na Face Auto Detect. The camera will follow wherever you go. Try ko ilagay dito ha. Okay, tignan natin kung totoo ba to. Okay? Ayan. Okay, nag-follow siya sa akin. Kunin ko yung plato ni John. Uy, follow pa rin siya sa akin kahit dito oh. Hala, hanggang saan? Hala ka dear. 360 ang pag-follow niya sa akin, look. Oh,
Oh,
he's following me.
looks like a robot.
360. Hala ka guys, I love it. He's following me 360. Kaya pala yung ibang vlogger, look darling, even here. Oh wow. No, before it's not.
Wait till it starts walking.
Ah. Yeah, maybe no. In the future, darling, no.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna follow you around.
$1,000 na siguro, maybe $10,000. When we're rich, we will able to buy. We can afford. Okay, so wait, wash muna ako ng hands. Tignan natin kung abot dito. Tignan natin ha. Hala, abot pa rin talaga siya guys dito. Pero mas maganda kung nakaikot siya ng konti. Sandali ha. Dito. Ganyan. Ganyan. Okay. Okay, nasa center na siya ba? Okay, so first thing first, punasan ang kamay, balik ang milk. balik ang cheese sa ref. Gusto ko talaga ang aking bagong camera, guys. Perfect talaga siya. I think hindi nagamit. Ayan. Save the pasta, maybe not.
Yes.
Save?
You don't like it?
I like it, but I won't eat it anymore.
Why?
Because when you reheat it tomorrow, it won't be as good.
You're lying.
Am I lying?
Yeah, you're lying.
Because when you reheat it, it will be overcooked. It will not be al dente anymore.
Oh, it'll still be al dente. It's very al dente. You can add some more cream to it and salt if you like.
I was gonna throw it.
Cream, salt, cheese.
Alright. Next. I think it's clean. Oh no. That's what I don't like.
Now you have to unload and reload.
Unload and reload. For sure, ramdam nyo rin ako, guys. Alam nyo yon, yung ready ka na maglagay ng mga hugasin sa dishwasher, tapos meron ka pa palang i-unload kasi hindi mo ito nagawa kanina. 'Di ba? Gets nyo ako? Nakakainis, no? Yung ganyan, yung nagmamadali ka na tapos, ay, meron pa palang mga malinis sa dishwasher na kailangang i-unload. Hi guys, kakabalik lang namin from shopping. And eto na, mag-unbox lang tayo. Quick grocery haul lang tayo, guys. Pumunta kami ng Costco kanina, bumili tayo ng mga chips. Bumili kami ng mga gulay kaya ng mushrooms, carrots, romaine, cucumber. Bumili din kami ng crab meat, cream cheese, chicken, ayan, wings, favorite namin. Meron din pala kami, guys, na nakitang bagong brand ng half and half sa Costco kanina. Sabi ni John, itatry daw niyang gamitin ito. Ayan, third bag na tayo. Meron tayo ditong pinya, tapos meron akong noodles na nabili. Ito, may Dubai Chewy Cookie ako, guys, na nabili. Itatry ko yan mamaya kung magustuhan ko. May nakita akong ramen, guys. Soy and, anong tawag dyan? Scallion noodles. Diba? First time ko itong itatry and hopefully it's good. Wow! Another TV na nakuha namin sa kalsada, guys. Panasonic. Gusto ko na tikman itong Dubai Chewy Cookie. Tikman natin kung masarap siya. Ayun. Tikman natin kung magustuhan natin or ipapadala sa Pinas. Ay, ganyan pala. Akala ko yung ano. Bakit iba sa picture? Masarap nga siya. I-toast ko lang tong tinapay, guys. Tapos, lagyan lang natin siya ng ito. Baka kakain din si John. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gawin ko na lang lahat. Gusto ko sana magtanim nito ng avocado, yung Hass. Ako nga lang. Ang dami na nating avocado. Meron na ata kaming 5 trees of avocado. Sugar. We're gonna have yogurt only.
Just wanted to taste the new batch.
This one, no? I have extra sauce. Ay, perfect ang
Perfectly
pagkaluto. Oo. Maganda talaga tignan pag bagong luto. Yes guys, finally, kung may napansin kayo, nakapagpagupit ng kami ni John kasi alam ko marami sa inyo ang nagsabi, Johannes, ang haba na ng buhok mo, kailan ka magpapagupit? So eto na guys, bagong tupi. Scared talaga itong mga pusa na ito guys. Pinagalitan namin yan kasi ayaw pumasok, ang lakas ng ulan.
We love you guys. Don't run away. There's nothing out there but wind and rain.
Nag-preheat lang ako ng ating microwave guys kasi ito toast ko itong re-toast. Ayan, bigyan natin ng buhay itong ating banana chips na malapit nang maubos. Ayan. Konti lang yung nilagay ko. Last time kasi nagkamali ako. While preheating, nilagay ko na itong ating banana chips and it turned out na nasunog. Pagkatapos guys ng preheat, hindi pa naka-start ng guys pag toast. Nasunog na siya, napait na siya. So this time, gi-preheat ko muna siya without the food and then later ko na siya, ayan na, nagtutot na siya, saka pa natin siya ilalagay. Add food, ayan nag-ano na siya yan, tapos hindi na natin yung tiil-tiil niya, hindi na natin ipataas. So start, perfect, kain! Gusto mo pa talaga mang-agaw, gusto talaga lumabas. Gusto nila talaga guys na ginaganyan yung kanilang lubot
Everybody likes the butt rub. Butt rub. Let the butt rub. Yep. Tail goes up. Yep. Here. I'm over 55, but the other passenger is not.
Okay, that's no problem. Give me one moment.
Sure.
The only things that I do see available are the inside cabins.
Okay, that's fine.
They're located on decks 12, 13, and 14.
Guys, you heard it right. Nagbubok lang ngayon ng cruise si John kasi wala siyang pasok guys for a week. Sabi ni John, nababagot daw siya dito sa bahay. Sabi ko, why not mag-book na lang tayo ng cruise? Kasi alam nyo ba guys, eto sa totoo lang, nag-grocery kami sa Costco. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga resibo guys Yung mga nagagastos natin is nasa $200 to $400. Magugulat kayo guys kung magkano ang nabayaran namin sa cruise namin na ito for 4 days. Hulaan ninyo guys. Magugulat kayo. Mas mahal pa yung nababayaran namin sa grocery kesa sa cruise. And this is what John prepared. We have delicious chicken wings deep fried with tallow. And the delicious salad is the tomato from the garden. Look at those babies, darling. Look at those babies. One is on... Yeah, one is on top of the thing. Why do you love to?
Weren't you inside?
No, because that's Province house.
He doesn't look happy.
He doesn't want to be on top.
Crazy kitty.
What are you cooking, darling? Steak.
A little steak. Yeah.
So guys, finally, this is the good news that we are talking about. John booked a cruise.
Oh, I can't wait now. It's like next week.
This is our first time to go with Norwegian Cruise Lines. And ipapakita po namin sa inyo guys.
Actually, it's this week.
It's
We
this
leave on
week.
Friday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good thing that I will be able to send. The bags will arrive tomorrow and we will finish that. I will send it the following day. Actually, we will not send it. They will just pick it up in the house. So, I will finish everything and then we leave on the 24th. So, guys, sa mga kababayan natin dyan na nagtatrabaho sa Norwegian Cruise Lines, I have to prepare all the pasalubong for all of you guys. Oh, where did I put it?
Uh-oh.
I think it's in the garage.
There will be a glitch.
This is very exciting because why? Because the cruise ship, what do you call that? Cost less than if we go to the Costco and buy, grocery. I have all the receipts. I have all the Costco receipts that we have every time we go to Costco. It's ranging from $200 to $400. So you have an idea now magkano nga ba ang mababayaran kapag mag-cruise kayo? Because a lot of you guys are scared, no? of the price, number one. Number two, scared of the sea. And number three, scared of the
Very
norovirus.
scared.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
That's actually the three main reasons why a lot of people, they don't go on a cruise.
The biggest fear is the cost. But
The
really,
cost,
really,
yes. So this is a good vlog for all of you guys kasi sasabihin namin sa inyo magkano ang nabayaran namin, ano ang tutulugan namin na pinaka-cheapest. Cheapest itong tutulugan natin guys ha. There's no window. It's called inside room. And what else? What are the kind of food that they're gonna serve for that
Oh,
amount?
more will be revealed.
More will be revealed because this is the first time with NCL. Because we've been to celebrity cruises most of the time.
They get 5 stars.
Five stars?
Yeah, they get good reviews.
Oh, wow. And what's the name of the cruise so I can check? What's the name of the cruise
That's
line?
a very good question.
Oo, kasi baka ito yung pinakaluma. So, well, it doesn't matter naman guys, no? There's lots of cruise lines out there and we want to try everything. We want to try them all and let you know which one is the best in terms of entertainment, in terms of food, in terms of what do you call that? Amenities, no? And we will tour you around. I don't know how many floors are there. So we will tour you all. So papasilip natin sa inyo. If you have more questions guys na hindi ko na-tackle, let me know in the comment section below at sasagutin natin yan. So excited ako guys. It's gonna be a 4-day cruise, 3 nights and 4 days, and Nassau, Bahamas, and Stirrup Key, something like that. Basta it's their own, they're not.
It's Norwegian Getaway.
Norwegian Getaway is the name of the cruise?
Yes.
Norwegian Getaway. Okay, tignan natin dito ha.
Nassau, Bahamas, and we're going to Great Stirrup Cay, Bahamas.
Okay din yung room niya ha. The room is pretty much, hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo guys because para hindi nyo makuan ba, para exciting ito. So, tignan natin. Hopefully, ma-meet natin ang captain dear, no? Hopefully, we have a follower that will let us meet the captain. But I'm not sure if they're gonna allow that. That's only for elite or that's only for mga high-end na mga
Oh
rooms.
yeah, do we have to get whatchamacallit to give away?
Yeah. No, we already have. That's why I told you. Harap. So, abangan nyo yan guys. Exciting ito. I want a big salad. And wow. Excited na ako guys. How many days to go? This is the
Next Friday.
next Friday. This Friday. It's already good. No need for sauce. But natawa lang ako sa sarili ko dito guys. Sinabi ko na no need na for the sauce. Pero kumuha pa rin ako ng sauce. Ang galing mo talaga, Johannes. Huwag mong i-edit yan. Jackpot na naman! Ayan guys, gumana po yung TV na nakuha natin sa kalsada kahapon. Tignan ninyo, aayusin lang ni Jan yung signal. Ayan. Actually, wala itong kasamang cord guys. Buti na lang may extra na cord tayo dito. Ang gagamitin lang muna natin dito guys ay ang antenna. Pero meron din kaming cable dito guys, no? Pero try lang natin kung gagana yung antenna dito. Tignan niyo guys, ganito ang epekto ng pamamasura ni Johannes andyan dito sa Amerika. Kung sino man po yung mga kababayan natin na malapit dito sa amin, pwede nyo na itong kunin guys kasi hindi naman namin magagamit ito. Or ibigay na lang natin ito sa ating mga kapitbahay. Ayan po. Diba? Ba nagsabi ako sa inyo nung nakaraan guys na kung sino ang makahula kung gumana ba yung TV na nakuha natin sa kalsada is mabibigyan din natin ng TV. I told them, darling, whoever can guess if the TV will work, they will get a TV also. So mamimili ako sa mga comments na.
There you go.
Ayan guys, we're using only antenna guys ha, kaya ganito. Pero kung meron po kayong, what do you call that? Box. Pag meron po kayong box, no? Like for example, mga cable box. Pag meron po kayong cable box, mas malinaw po ito guys. O di ba? Gumana siya. May ibibigay na naman tayo guys sa ating kapitbahay.
Another jackpot.
Another jackpot. Kunin nyo dito sa bahay guys ha. O di ba? Ganda pa nito oh. Wow. Tignan natin itong isang TV, darling. Let's try to plug it in. Itong isa kasi guys is monitor only. Is it only monitor, darling? Or
I don't think it's a TV.
okay.
I don't know.
Ito kasing isa,
What does it say?
model, typical, okay. It doesn't. Television. Standard television receiving apparatus. Etong isa guys is hindi pa namin siya na-try kasi nung nakuha namin ito sa kalsada, wala siyang kasamang cord. Maghahanap pa tayo ng cord guys kung may naitabi ba tayo. Eto nga pala yung nakuha naming laruan guys sa kalsada nung nakaraan. Cornhole daw pala ito kung tawagin. Ayan, meron dalawang players dito. Tapos, ayan siya. Itatapon mo lang. Kailangan ma-shoot mo siya sa hole. First time ko talaga maglaro dito guys ng ganito. Siguro nakailang rounds na kami nito guys. Wala pa talagang nakakashoot sa hole guys. Kaya tignan natin. Ako naman ang mag... Okay, ako naman darling. Ako naman. Hala! Yay! Na-shoot ko guys, finally. Oh, 'di ba, 'di ba? Ako pa lang yung unang nakashoot. Oh, 'di ba? Na-shoot ko siya. Oh. Ako yung una nakashoot, guys. Si Jan wala pa. Ikaw na, dear. I-set ko muna itong ating camera para i-follow niya ako sa aking direction na gagawin. Perfect. Okay, follow me where I go. In-invite ko din pala guys yung aking mga friends na sumama sa cruise namin. Actually, biglaan na kasi yung pag-book namin ng cruise. Kaya not sure kung may sasama sa kanila. Pero at least nasabihan ko sila guys, di ba? Yun ang naman ang mas importante. Si Ate Lucy hindi siya pwede kasi dilipat ng bahay yung kanyang anak. Kailangan nilang tumulong, no? Si Joy naman at si Mike, not sure kung sasama sila. Pero sinabihan ko din sila na baka gusto nilang sumama sa ating Greece, Malta, and Turkey na cruise. Check natin kung sasama sila. Mag-sausage lang ako ngayon at saka egg. Well, only 2 sausage left. Dalawa na lang pala yung sausage na natira. Okay, it's fine. 2 sausage and then I'm gonna have bread, which I cannot find. Where did I put it? It's in here. Usually kasi pag nagkukurus kami ni John is kami lang dalawa eh. So this time, nag-invite naman kami ng mga friends para mas marami tayo. It's nice to go on a cruise on a group. Yeah. Naka-vibes mo.
Inside starts at $1,603
Per person.
Yes.
Okay, 1,000. Kasi nagtanong yung friend ko kung magkano yung cruise sa Europe. Eh sabi ko tatanungin ko muna si John. Ayan. Tinignan ni John online. It's 1,000. 1,600 dear?
1,600. 1,600 plus.
Ah, okay. I would say 1,700.
Oh, at least. They add other things in, I think.
1,700 per person, not including flight. Okay? Plano kasing sumama nung isa kong kaibigan guys sa cruise namin sa Greece. Eh nagtanong siya kung magkano yung mabayaran. Eh sabi ko yung standard na room, yung inside room ay $1,600 per person. Tapos yung flight naman going to Barcelona, Spain and then back and forth is nasa 1,600 din. So minsan ganyan guys ang nangyayari kapag nagko-cruise kami ni Jan sa Europe. Madalas yung presyo ng cruise at presyo ng flight is the same lang. And guys, today is the day. Finally, the long wait is over. Dumating na po yung mga bags na in-order natin from Malaysia and Thailand. Kaya naman dali-dali namin itong ipinasok ni John sa loob ng bahay. At pagkatapos nito ay aalis lang tayo dahil mamimili tayo ng mga shipping boxes. Hi guys, paalis tayo ngayon. Ang dami nating pupuntahan ngayon guys. Today is a very busy day for us. First, magwi-withdraw tayo ng pera para may cash tayo para sa cruise natin. Second is, we're going to Staples para bumili ng mga boxes kasi dumating na po yung aking mga bags from Thailand and Malaysia. Hindi na kami tumuloy guys sa Bank of America kasi pagtingin namin sa loob, marami ang nakapila. So sabi ko, we will just do it tomorrow. Itong deposit ng pera at saka pag-withdraw ng cash. Kasi hindi naman yan emergency. Like that. So, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Staples para pakyawin ang kanilang mga boxes. From small, medium, large, extra small, extra large. Lahat na guys bibilhin natin. Ako natutuwa talaga ako guys na na-discover namin itong Staples guys no. Kasi sa totoo lang ang tagal-tagal ko na talaga guys na naghahanap ng mga ganitong klaseng boxes. At dito ko lang pala mahanap sa Staples kaya sa mga small entrepreneurs guys, mga online sellers especially. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga matitibay na boxes, punta kayo dito sa Staples. This is not sponsored guys ha, pero dito ko talaga, recommended ko talaga. At ang babait ng mga staff nila dito, they're very helpful, they're very accommodating, no? So, punta na kayo dito. Bahay na kami dyan. Dalhin na natin to isa-isa. Isa-isa ko na rin palang biduksan guys itong mga boxes para makita natin kung tama ba ang mga dumating. Hi guys, update lang tayo. Na-unload ko na yung ibang mga bags and then ngayon naman ay mini-message ko na lahat ng mga nag-order sa atin at kinukuha ko na yung kanilang mga balance. And then dito naman is sineset up lang ni Jan yung printer natin. Okay, first time namin gawin ito.
Does it give you a number? How many?
No, it didn't.
This has stuff in.
Yeah,
That's the one.
put paid. Put paid for Martha. Sa totoo lang guys, no, nangangapa pa talaga ako dito kasi may mga application doon sa printer na hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Pero buti na lang guys, no, hindi kami techie ni Jan guys, no, pero nagpapasalamat talaga ako kasi nagtutulungan talaga kami ni Jan. May mga bagay na hindi ko alam, ayan, pero alam ni Jan, tinutulungan niya ako. At saka, when it comes to sa mga ganito guys, sa pag-pack ng orders, ayan, pag-sort ng orders, no? Tinutulungan talaga ako ni Jan. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako kasi wala siyang trabaho ngayon. Kasi kung may trabaho pa yan siya ngayon guys, naku, siguradong nagkapuliki na talaga ako dito guys. Siya yung in charge guys sa pag-sort. Ako naman sa paniningil no, ng mga balance ng iba nating mga customers. Kaya ay, parang worth it ba itong ginawa kong business, oy? Parang mas malaki pa man ang kinikita ko sa pagbablog dito sa YT. Kaysa kinikita ko dito. Tuloy ko pa ba itong business ko, guys? Hi guys, it's lunch time at nag-prepare si Jan sa akin. Actually, leftover ito, yung pasta na in-order natin. The fresh pasta from Antonio. And then, ang partner lang natin dyan ay burger. And
Burger.
I'm sorry, chicken patty, yeah, chicken burger. So guys, this is the current situation in the house. It's very magulo, guys. This is a problem. Big problem, but good problem. Look. We have unboxed all the bags. House of Little Bunny and Christinang bags. And then, ganyan po siya kakalat. As you can see. Tinitignan namin isa-isa, mini-message isa-isa, tapos hindi naman nagbabayad kaagad guys ng mga balance. So kung sino lang po yung una nakabayad ng balance, yun po yung una nating ipapaship. Dapat may shipping tayo today pero hindi na kaya kasi alanganin sa oras. 3:30 dapat mag-pick up ang USPS dito sa bahay. Pero nga hindi natin kaya guys yung ganong timeline. So we're gonna have them ready today and it will be picked up tomorrow. Ang sarap. Creamy. Did you add sauce, dear?
Yes.
Cream? You bought a
Heavy
cream?
cream. Thought you could tell that right away. You can see it's very coated.
Ah, you bought today?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we didn't buy yesterday. We forgot.
Yeah, for some reason I missed it at Costco. I don't understand that.
Or it was not available.
Usually, that's a very in-demand thing for restaurants.
Parang talaga siyang Alfredo. It's really Alfredo now.
It's really Alfredo. Alfredo is very simple, but it's just heavy cream that's been reduced. If they do it the correct way. Otherwise, they just thicken it with flour and butter. They make a roux and make the batch thick. But the true way you make it is you reduce the cream in half. Add a little bit of salt, Parmesan cheese. Maybe some people put different things in it, but I like the basic. It's still delicious.
By the way, guys, we're very excited for our cruise. It's gonna be in... Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, Thursday.
Yeah,
3
not
days.
very far away.
3 days to go.
We'll be leaving. We'll have to be there
Miami.
by 1.
Sa Miami yung port namin. So, papakita namin sa inyo guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sabihin namin kung magkano yung magastos namin. I paid another one. Okay. Let's see. Maria Chona. Maria. Sobrang hirap talaga itong ginagawa namin guys. Nakakalito. Kailangan talaga nito guys ng 3 katao or 4 katao para mas mapabilis. Siguro mag-hire ako bukas ng mga kaibigan ko. Papuntahin ko sila dito guys. Kahit na wala na tayong kikitain dito guys. Basta matapos na natin kaagad ito. So may malaking problema na naman guys dito sa Messenger kasi this is the only way na makita ko kung sino yung mga nag-order sa akin. Isa-search ko lang yung names nila dito. And so far, may 2 na po na hindi ko na sila ma-search dito. Imposible naman na binlock nila ako. No? Kasi 2 na sila eh. Tignan natin itong isa ha. Pag hindi ko pa rin ito makita, ito si Elma. Oh, hindi rin siya ma-search. Isa rin ito guys sa mga problema na kinakaharap ko. Kasi minsan naghahang yung Messenger siguro sa dami ng mga pumapasok na mga... Kasi combined ito guys sa business ko. Tapos combined din ito guys sa mga nagre-reach out sa akin, mga nanghihingi. Tapos minsan naman sa mga comments. No? Kasi thousands po yung pumapasok na comments kasi meron akong 6.7 million followers, diba guys, sa FB ko. So parang nag-ipon-ipon yung mga comments. Kaya minsan naglalag, naghahang. Isa talaga ito sa malaking problema ko guys. Ay, kaya imbis na mapapadali yung aking ginagawa, lalong natatagalan. Tapos hindi pa ako tapos guys no, tinawag na naman ako ni John, break time na naman kasi gusto niya mag-harvest na daw kami kaagad ng blueberry kasi meron na daw talagang iha-harvest. Sabi ko, hindi ba yan makapaghintay? Sabi niya hindi kasi baka masira na daw ito.
Oh, there's 2.
Okay, me?
Right there. You just touched it.
I touched it? Okay. Ay, nahulog pa talaga.
Oh, it's no good. It,
Ayun
fell,
na,
on,
there's another one,
it
oh.
fell on the ground. It's no good now.
There's another one there.
All right.
Oh, look, it's very fresh. Look
Very
at that.
fresh.
Oh, ganito pala siya mamunga ang ano, blueberry.
Now we gotta see if they're any good.
Hala, I'm so excited. Look at him.
Ah.
He's so excited too.
He's so excited he fell over.
Aha, yay! Okay, I'm very excited na guys. Tignan natin kung matamis ba ito. Ito, it's sweet, no?
Hopefully. We'll find out soon.
Aha, let's go. Let's check it out.
I need the scissors over here.
Try.
Rosemary.
Rosemary, where?
I need a sprig of rosemary.
Rosemary?
Uh-huh.
Like that one?
Sure. Okay.
Only one? What are you gonna do? For chicken?
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna do cognac tonight.
Yeah, I was thinking cognac with the fatty sauce.
Guys, the moment of truth. One for you, one for me. First harvest.
Right? Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Could be a little sweeter, but it's not bad.
Not bad. What more?
No, it's yours.
Mm.
Better? All right.
Yes.
Tonight I'm going to make kojak pasta
Mm-hmm.
with mushrooms and broccoli and nice fatty cream sauce.
Oh,
Not to mention
you make
my
me
garlic
fat.
butter.
You make me fat. Guys, I'm very busy.
That's my dilemma. Even at my job. Even at my job, they complain.
Hi. Hi. Guys, tignan niyo itong tignan niyo itong ano namin guys, green onion sa garden. Looks like it's very old now.
Yeah, maybe it's good for the put on the ear. No?
Mm.
So I'm just gonna put this down a little.
Order sa akin sa Canada. Nakalimutan ko. Canada.
Add some Parmesan cheese to my heavy cream that I'm reducing. Instead of the mushrooms drying out. But actually the mushrooms are very delicious when you brown them. But for this dish, I don't think I want to brown the mushrooms tonight. And then over here, I have my grilled chicken that's going to go in with everything. Johannes is not going to be joining me because he's too busy.
So guys, nagkaroon lang ng konting problema guys, no? Kung some of the orders are not available, and then I'm now contacting all of the customers and then trying to explain to them that we have available actually guys, bags, but it's not their order. So I'm calling them one by one. I think there are 8 of them, and mostly I think 6 of them already, I already settled, and then may dalawa pa na kinakausap ko pa ngayon, so sinisend ko. So sobrang hirap talaga guys. Parang it's not worth it. Parang it's not worth it, dear. Parang minsan gusto ko na lang susuko, business. Minsan gusto mo na lang sumuko guys dahil sa mga pagsubok na ganito, no? Pero I think it's part of the business. You will experience like, you know, some trouble.
Oh, yeah,
you're going
business is-
through. Kaya siguro kailangan mo lang maging matatag, no? At for sure naman mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. So, ayun, balik na ako sa aking business.
It's like when you work for a company, you're like, oh, they're keeping all the money. Why don't they give it to me? Well, run the company, and you'll see why. So I just added the broccoli. I'm going to cook that down for a bit. I want to steam it a little bit in my butter. My garlic butter. That'll give that amazing flavor.
But on the flip side, dear, look, their order is not available because she ordered black and brown. But on the black and white. But on the flip side, I give him the other option of gray and the other option of like off-white. So,
Yeah, they're both very nice.
they're both
looking
very
bags.
nice. So it turned out from negative to positive.
Nice.
Because they like it.
Oh, good.
They like it.
I
So
know.
ito na lang daw.
I know the disappointment when your order is.
Oo, but you know what? They're very happy, dear, because I made a way. I contact them, like, I made a way, no?
Yes.
To make it correct, make it right. So, yun naman ang importante guys. Pag may mali, hanapan mo ang paraan. Diba? Para masolusyonan. Hala ka, grabe. Ang sarap niyan. Ang creamy niyan, darling. OMG!
Dr. Bacchus is not going to be happy with you.
Oh my God!
So, brand new recipe. I wonder if it even tastes any good. But at the end of the day, very low carb. Wouldn't want to eat like this all the time, but this will be very delicious.
Iba talaga pag may chef life. Sa negosyo, hindi talaga maiiwasan ang mga problema. Kasama na yan sa proseso ng paglago. Pero ang mahalaga, natututo tayo sa bawat pagkakamali. Dahil sa totoo lang, hindi tayo matututo kung hindi tayo nadadapa. Sa bawat pagsubok, may aral na pwedeng baunin. Mas magiging matatag tayo at mas magiging matalino sa pagdidesisyon. Marami akong natutunan sa journey na ito, lalong-lalo na kung paano pahalagahan ang negosyo. Hindi lang ito basta pagkakakitaan, kundi isa ding responsibilidad na dapat alagaan at pagtuunan ng oras at effort. Dumating din ako sa punto na gusto ko nang sumuko, pero naalala ko kung bakit ako nagsimula, para sa pamilya, para sa mas magandang kinabukasan. At doon ko mas na-realize guys kung gaano kahalaga ang business na ito sa buhay ko. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon sa negosyo mo, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, parte yan ng proseso. Ang mahalaga, bumangon ka, matuto at magpatuloy dahil sa huli, lahat ng paghihirap mo ngayon ay may magandang bunga bukas, lalo na kung ginagawa mo ito para sa mahal mo sa buhay. At dito nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Magkita-kits po tayo ulit bukas. Bye-bye!